There's something about heading into the forest with no real agenda. No tight schedule, no destination pinned down to the minute, just a direction and a willingness to see where the trail takes you. Today, we're deep in the Ouachita National Forest. Miles of winding forest roads, elevation changes you don't expect in this part of the country, and that quiet you can only find when civilization fades into the background. This is what overlanding is really about. Not just the gear, not just the vehicle, but the freedom to roam. Welcome back to the trails we roam. The Ouachita National Forest stretches across western Arkansas and southeastern Oklahoma, and it's one of the most underrated overlanding destinations in the region. You'll move from smooth Forest Service roads to rocky climbs, tight switchbacks, and long ridgelines with views that catch you off guard. This trip wasn't about pushing the limits, it was about exploration, about letting the forest set the pace. We packed light, planned loose, and followed the trails where they led. This section of the Ouachitas is perfect for slow, intentional travel. You're constantly transitioning, pine forest to hardwoods, open ridges to shaded valleys, dry gravel to damp, shaded sections that remind you how quickly conditions can change. Overlanding here rewards patience. There's no rush. You take your time, read the terrain, and let the truck do what it was built to do. And in moments like this, you realize something important. You don't need extreme obstacles for an adventure to feel real. Sometimes the journey itself is more than enough. As the day goes on, the ridgelines lead to tree-covered, tight trails, and they gradually lead us toward Broken Bow Lake. This area is known for its water, its clarity, and its contrast against the surrounding forest. As you get closer, you can feel the energy shift. The air changes, the light reflects differently through the trees, and we had a spot in mind. A peninsula that pushes out into the lake, surrounded by water on three sides. Not marked, not crowded, just a quiet place to end the day. This is why we do it. Water stretching out in every direction, the forest wrapping around the shoreline, and that feeling that you can only get when you've earned your campsite. There's something powerful about arriving somewhere like this under your own power. No reservations, no check-in desk, just a place that feels like it was waiting for you. This is the reward. Trips like this remind us why we started this channel. Not to chase views, not to chase trends, but to document the trails that move us. The places that make us feel small in the best possible way. And the moments that stay with you long after the engine is turned off. If you enjoyed the journey through the Ouachita National Forest and out to Broken Bow Lake, make sure you subscribed. There are plenty more trails ahead, and we're just getting started. Until next time, keep roaming.